Hello. Today I would like to show you how to add a key for a user ansible. So let's switch to the command line. And here I have a script that will allow us to make it work. Allow us to add this key to ls, and you can see I have a SSH copy ID. Cut this file, SSH copy ID, and you can see what is going on here. SSH keygen, it will generate a key in this format, ed25519, and dash capital C is a comment for this key. And also it is reading variable cat servers. Here we go. It is reading our host, and it is logging. And this time it is using a password for ansible user, and it is using SSH copy ID command to copy the key, the public key, to the remote host. So we will run the script. So SSH copy ID. Here we go. Yes. No passphrase. I will explain it in a moment. And here we go. The key is copied now. Excellent. And if we perform the command SSH ansible dash cm4 at cm4, it should log. Lovely. And we will check it for worker 1 and worker 2. So, and worker 2. Excellent. So the script is working, and you can log to server. There is no problem at all. Okay, so now I will go back to the home directory and like this, and vim the bashrc file. And at the end, you have something like entries. Evil, SSH again. This entry in line 116. It starts the agent. And in line 117, SSH add, this command adds the key, the private key, to the agent, to the how to call it, volatile memory for agent, volatile storage, because if you will end the session, the key will be deleted from the this so-called storage, from this agent memory. And why it is convenient? Well, I will show you. You have two options. After you will add those two entries into the bashrc file, you can source the file bashrc, and you can see what is going on here. Agent PID, so agent started, the PID is assigned, and identity added. So it picks up the public, the private key, sorry, and it loads it to agent. So agent is using it, and you don't have to provide keys this way, SSH-I and a path for the like that for the key ID, right, for the private key, and then of course ansible, something like that, and cm4. Here we go. You don't have to do this, but if you will just connect it like this, it will work, just because our agent stores the key in the storage in the memory, so you can connect it without providing the path to your key. And now, why passphraseless, without passphrase? I will now choose to open I will duplicate the connection and open it once again. And what is going on here? It's logged in, and agent PID is assigned and identity added. And now, if you will provide a passphrase during generation of the key, then each time it will ask you, each time you log to the server with your user, it will ask you to provide a passphrase. So imagine the situation that you have a lot of keys added, and for each you had set up the passphrase. That is why I do not recommend it this way. I mean, this is a convenient way. If you do not use a passphrase, it's less secure. And if you want to be more secure, use passphrase, but then you have to use SSH agent or SSH client like PuTTY, like mremote on Windows, or Terminus and Termix and many other terminals, right? And there you can store the key and also the passphrase. All is encrypted, and when it connects, when the manager, SSH manager connects to the server with key, and server asks for the passphrase, it automatically loads the encrypted passphrase, and I mean it's encrypted. I mean it decrypts it on the fly. It provides it, but all the time it's encrypted, so you cannot decrypt it the easy way. It's encrypted on your machine. So it provides the passphrase and it logs automatically, and you don't waste your time for typing the passphrase each time. This is something that we are using when we are working remotely. So I really recommend to use passphrase. Anyway, I just wanted to present it this way, that we can use keys without passphrase, and it's less secure but more convenient. One more time. Okay, I do not recommend it on production. However, in your home lab, this is fine, I think. And if, of course, the home lab network is isolated from the internet. Okay, so the key is added, right? Yes, it is. So this is the end of the lesson, and I wish you a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.